Many companies still utilize the status quo and continue to print and store paper. eDocument Solutions can help you transition your business to a paperless environment. We utilize material and information flow mapping techniques perfected by Toyota to see where the workflow adds value and where there is waste. Armed with this information, we can help build you a cost-effective future state. We provide dynamic solutions that utilize electronic data upfront and allow for automation of back-office functions. Our process mapping consulting allows clients to reallocate resources to value-added activities and automate others. Our extensive network of partners can provide end-to-end customized solutions with a very short lead time. eDocument Solutions has industry-specific process expertise to provide total document process efficiency that can save you thousands, even millions of dollars. What's more, we can show you precisely how and where you're wasting money on document processing, and the financial impact of making incremental process improvements. The key is to think systematically and strategically. Document process efficiency refers to how a company manages documents and data through the entire document lifecycle. The key to optimizing is to first understand how information, images, paper, and electronic files actually come into and flow through your organization. The average organization spends a significant amount of money on what may appear to be a simple document. In other words, on an annual basis, non-electronic data management solutions are expensive. Paper and printing costs roughly $10,000 per year per employee. There are easy-to-use solutions. eDocument Solutions has assembled a best-in-breed portfolio of technologies which can get you started in a matter of days. No need for a large IT team or a long project. Gartner reports significant statistics on electronic document or information management systems. You can minimize costs by eliminating waste, redundancy, and inefficiency. You can improve customer service by reducing transaction times and improving workflow. You can increase the throughput and capacity of your existing staff, all the while reducing risk and increasing security. Digital document management is not a luxury. It's an imperative for companies of all sizes. Optimizing comes down to improving 9 fundamental tasks shown here on an organization-wide basis. Inefficiency results when any of these tasks are performed poorly, repeated, or done out of sequence. All of them are important, and as compliance and regulatory requirements increase, they must occur in a defined process. It pays to begin with the end in mind. eDocument Solutions always creates centralized electronic information assets that are platform independent. That means your data will never come to a dead end or be held hostage. It will always be available to any department authorized for access. How do we do this? We introduced eNtellidoc, which brings a new paradigm that will transform the existing advanced capture world. It is a browser-based system that converts ordinary documents into metadata, which can be loaded into databases. This allows you to use automated rules-based processing to reduce labor and errors and integrate documents into a data flow up front in the process. Utilizing eNtellidoc, you have the capability to accept input from email, faxes, paper scanning, or hot folders. eNtellidoc, which provides significant automation to the document ingestion process by automatically sorting, classifying, and extracting data from the documents, will expedite the entire process. In the past, barcodes were used to identify a form. Today, with eNtellidoc, those are no longer necessary. We automatically understand what the form is and collect key information off the form to upload into a database. Simple forms can be memorized, such as this educational reimbursement agreement. The system automatically recognizes what the form is and what key information needs to be collected from the form. All this information can then be processed through a cloud-based input. We call it our eDocrity cloud. In addition, eDocument Solutions can automate workflow of the data captured and extracted with eNtellidoc with eDocrity. eDocrity is a framework for creating actionable data and automated processes that can be used in compliance or for output of the data. eDocrity can either be a hosted SaaS model or an on-premise cloud model. eDocrity component can receive images and metadata generated from eNtellidoc and populate workflow portal that is accessible by the approved personnel and partners. eDocrity is built with the Microsoft.NET Foundation, SQL Server, and standard Internet technologies. Our SaaS model is hosted by a SAS 70 certified hosting company. We provide HIPAA compliance solutions by providing data backup, including a disaster recovery plan, audit trails, abnormal activity alarms, and electronic communication security. Access to either eNtellidoc or eDocrity is limited to secure, role-based access, which is critical for regulatory compliance. We have created solutions in the mortgage and loan industry, medical claims processing, medical records processing, human resource file processing, educational records management, recall in the automotive industry, and distribution order pick processing. We can create a custom solution for you. eDocument Solutions has selected best-in-breed partners for technology and services to provide end-to-end document management solutions. These are Crowe Horwath for compliance and risk management consulting and certification, Crown for storage and retrieval of paper documents, as well as facilities for scanning, shredding, and electronic storage, Develop for linking documents in SharePoint to business enterprise systems such as SAP or Oracle, Kodak for state-of-the-art scan and capture equipment, Kofax for capture software, Lattices for data center co-location, Nuance for voice recognition and for e-copy interface to multifunction printers, ProStore for data backup systems, and Webiplex for DocuPeek inside our eDocrity portal. Why choose eDocument Solutions? eDocument Solutions is a center of excellence for document process efficiency. Our experienced core team has been working in the electronic document management industry since its inception. We keep things simple and are known for being responsive, reliable, and focused on quality at any volume. And we think green. We're a green business that promotes green business practices. That means we can help you substantially reduce your carbon footprint. Do you know what your document process efficiency quotient is? eDocument Solutions is uniquely equipped to calculate your firm's document processing costs and show you critical areas where profits are leaking away. Since this analysis is complimentary, why not learn your document process efficiency quotient today? Just click on the ROI navigation bar to get started.